Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Suzuki GSX250R. This twin-cylinder lightweight sport bike just arrived with only 5,500 miles. It's got a smoked windscreen, brand new back tire, twin-cylinder, fuel-injected, liquid-cooled, beautiful satin white paint finish. Come on by, make your lightweight mini sport bike dreams come true for just $39.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.